here on this. What is it?
This is a 2003 Suzuki lt80.
lt80. Needed carb clean.
Yeah,
So
I haven't ridden it for like 2 years. It's just been sitting in the corner by the 50.
Working on it.
Me and Mark have been out here since about 11:15.
Stone just showed up.
Yeah, we got it. We took the gas lines apart and put some air through them.
You're gonna have to feed it the gas lines on that side too.
We got it started, and then it started. Oil.
Go over there.
Spitting oil over here. Started spitting everywhere. We pulled it back.
The broken ones on your side.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Bolt.
Oh, where's the bolt for this one, nigga?
It's in it still.
Boys, we got it started. Jeremy and Marcus took it apart, put it back together. Mark, give it a little thing. What? Bang! Whoa! Over the skateboard! Oh my! Yeah, don't hit my dad's butt. He's still warm up.
This has way more torque than mine. Mine has like a ton better.
Guys, this is my garage. We got lt80, 300, 6-day shifting, CR50, TTM 520, this is mine, 250X, 150, black 180, another CR70, there's a 65 and another 80. We'll cut to some video of me and Mark ripping them.
We're out here ripping the lt80s. Got a little hill. I've done it twice. There's mine sitting there. Nate, he's on Belucci's yellow one. He's about to hit. It's a little nice little cliff. Probably can't tell. But yeah, for these little 80s, it might be something big.
Got a header, Mark?
Yeah, I hit. Stern's on the 150. Luke on 350. Here comes the 150. I hit it! Hit it! Hit it! Yeah! I lost an exhaust bolt right up in there, so you can't see it, but it's really loud now. Here it comes! Get it, Nate! Get it, Nate! Oh!
Hey, shut up.
Dude! You let off.
I didn't let off.
See the 80s. Come on! Come on! Oh! Yeah! That was sweet! Oh my god!
Dude, I got so much air.
That was sweet! Oh! 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 Oh!
Oh my god. He took the tree up the ass. God damn.
He was dancing with it.
Oh my god. You want me to hit the sumbit?
You didn't even hit it right here. You hit it right here.
Yeah, that's where you said to hit it.
No, right here.
Oh my horse, that hurts.
He went all the way down. His butt just, oh. Quads clap.
Oh my god.
At least the quads are okay. At least the quads are okay. That hurts. I wrapped myself around a tree.
No suspension on her.
No suspension.
My fucking ass.
We went all the way down.
I knew that was gonna happen.
You're
You went so fast. God damn.
We need some bigger jump. We need some full throttle.
I switched over to the 150. 250 was running great and something happened with the clutch. Now I'm on the 150. Sturmy and Marcus riding the 80s. Sturmy's trying to get it up a hill. And I'll try to find Marcus. Guys, Sturmy and Marcus made it up the hills. See if I can follow him on the 150 without dying. Look at him ripping. Damn.
Mark, come the fuck on.
Mark!
You ready? Alright, so walked in here on this, what is it?